Tips of group discussion. Rich content with good subject knowledge. Be a leader, be relevant, be a good listener. Improve your communication skills. Body gestures. Very important tool for group discussion. No aggressive move. Don't crisscross on your ideas. Don't be a part of fish market. Don't give up. Make multiple entries. How to start group discussion. Good morning friends, my name is, and we're here for group discussion on the topic of the digitalization in banking sector, which is very interesting and demanding topic. So let's start for the discussion. So what is digitalization? Digitalization is the process in which the data is converted in the digital format and further operations of the banking is done in the paperless format. It includes all the transactions etc. In banking sector. It is compulsory and we can't avoid it. We have to become familiar with this new era of the digital banking. Mobile banking, phone banking, net banking, ATM card, debit card, credit card are some examples of the digital banking. Because of digitalization, we can reduce our hard work. Means if we are living in the tribal village, there's no transport facility available, then we can do our work with the digital banking or net banking very easily. And along with that we can also reduce the time required for this type of hard work. Before 1950s, banks are using papers to record the details of the customer, details of the transactions, balance history, etc. It takes lots of efforts to keep that all data safely without damaging it. But now when after 1950 banks started computers to store data of the customers and later on ATM credit cards, debit cards are invented. Today the technology developed and improvement has done in operations have banking like net banking, phone banking etc. Also along with the benefits of the digitalization of the banking sectors, there's drawback also. Banking institution requires highly advanced cybersecurity to avoid cyber attacks. With the use of this advancement in the banking sector, one can transfer money from one place to another place without visiting the branch of the bank physically. It helps our country's people to become modern and educated by digitalization. Due to digitalization, government able to trap the flow of the money and money laundering will be prohibited. It can also save the environment by saving fuel and trees. How? We requires fuel to reach up to the bank physically and to do our banking operations, therefore we need to travel by either public or private transport system. And paper also, because due to digitalization whole transactions are to be done paperless. So no need of paper. Nowadays many of the peoples in the village areas are well aware about the digital banking system. Nearly around 50,160% of the people from village do their transactions online. But what about the illiterate people? How they will adopt this new change in the banking sector? Previously banks and government are facing problems regarding fake currency notes. Because of the digitalization almost all people are preferring to do online transactions, so this threat is now reducing day by day. No time bounding for transactions, you can do it 24/7 as per your convenience. Use of digital banking is very easy, even you can use it on your smartphone at anywhere at any time as per your convenience. Advantages of digitalization in banking. Requires less time, reduces hard work. Bank can able to handle many customers at the same time. It reduces the expenditure of the bank. Reduces the human errors. It improves the transparency in the banking operations, as a result reduces corruptions. It saves environment, paper and fuel. No time bounding for the operation. Very easily you can use it with the help of your phone also. Drawbacks of digitalization in banking. It requires highly advanced cybersecurity system to avoid cyber attack. Due to digitalization, workload reduces, resulted in job crises. If in case there is network issue, there's chances of amount deductions. Many villagers are illiterate. How can they handle it? It increases the laziness of that people, because people do all their work right staying at their home. Conclusion is digitalization has more benefits over its drawbacks, but still we need some advanced security system through which we can face cyber attacks. Bank need to improve security systems. Along with that, bank also need to give awareness about the digitalization among the people who are living in tribal areas. At last, digitalization is good but requires to be more advanced security system. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.